On January 7th, 2018, Bitcoin hit $11,000. By February, it was half that. Nobody saw it coming, or rather, everyone ignored the warnings. The story doesn't begin in January. It begins in 2017. That year, initial coin offerings, ICO, became the fastest way to raise capital ever invented. A white paper, a website, a promise, that was enough. Startups launched tokens with no product, no revenue, no proof of concept. Money poured in anyway. Billions of it. Between January and September 2017, ICOs raised roughly $3.6 billion. By December, that number had climbed past $5 billion for the year. Investors weren't checking fundamentals. They were chasing momentum. Every ICO promised the next Ethereum. Most promised nothing at all. The mania had its own physics. Then the cycle inverted. In January 2018, Bitcoin fell from $11,000 to $6,500 in weeks. Ethereum collapsed from $1,400 to $400. Altcoins, the lesser tokens, lost 90% or more. Panic selling accelerated the drop. Leverage positions liquidated. The money that had rushed in just as fast rushed out. The ICOs that had raised millions in hours now faced reality. Most had no path to profitability. Some were outright scams. Others were genuine attempts that lacked product-market fit. Tokens that had traded at $1 fell to fractions of a cent. Investors who'd bought at peaks watched their stakes evaporate. Lawsuits followed. Regulators finally moved. What happened wasn't unique. It was the third major crypto crash since Bitcoin's birth in 2009. Boom, bust, winter, recovery. The cycle repeats because human behavior repeats. Fear and greed take turns driving price. Fundamentals lag behind emotion by months or years. Markets test whether they're rational. They rarely are. By mid-2018, the crypto winter was official. Venture capital dried up. Startups shut down. Media coverage shifted from hype to obituary. But the infrastructure, the blockchain technology itself, survived. Some projects continued building. Some founders learned what happened. Markets, it turns out, are teachers. The lesson is expensive. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Subscribe to explore more cycles. The patterns repeat and the details tell the story. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.